Banana is actually one of the largest herb groups in the world. The term banana is commonly used to represent the dessert cultivar, while the cooking cultivar is generally referred as plantain. They belong to the family Musaceae, and various species of the genus Musa have been cultivated since time immemorial, and used as a source of fiber, foods, and ornaments. Banana is grown in almost every country in the world, especially in the tropical and subtropical countries, where it has been sustainably cultivated and thus contributed to the country's economy. Health benefits of bananas. Bananas are one of the best fruit sources of vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 from bananas is easily absorbed by your body, and a medium-sized banana can provide about a quarter of your daily vitamin B6 needs. Vitamin B6 helps your body produce red blood cells, metabolize carbohydrates and fats, turning them into energy, metabolize amino acids, remove unwanted chemicals from your liver and kidneys, and maintain a healthy nervous system. Bananas are respectable sources of vitamin C. Vitamin C helps protect your body against cell and tissue damage. Your body absorb iron better, your body produce collagen, the protein which holds your skin, bones and body together, and support brain health by producing serotonin, a hormone that affects our sleep cycle, moods, and experiences of stress and pain. Manganese in bananas is good for your skin. Potassium in bananas is good for your heart health and blood pressure. Bananas can aid digestion and help beat gastrointestinal issues. Bananas give you energy, minus the fats and cholesterol. Heart health. Bananas are good for your heart. They are packed with potassium, a mineral electrolyte that keeps electricity flowing throughout your body, which is required to keep your heart beating. Bananas' high potassium and low sodium content may also help protect your cardiovascular system against high blood pressure, depression and mood. Bananas can be helpful in overcoming depression. Due to high levels of tryptophan, which the body converts to serotonin, the mood-elevating brain neurotransmitter. Plus, vitamin B6 can help you sleep well, and magnesium helps to relax muscles. Additionally, the tryptophan in bananas is well known for its sleep-inducing properties. Digestion and weight loss. Bananas are high in fiber, which can help keep you regular. One banana can provide nearly 10% of your daily fiber requirement. Bananas are a great weight loss food because they taste sweet and are filling, which helps curb cravings. Bananas are particularly high in resistant starch, a form of dietary fiber in which researchers have recently become interested. Exercise. For replenishing energy and electrolytes, bananas can be more effective than sports drinks. Researchers saw that the athlete's performance times and body physiology were the same in both cases. But the banana's serotonin manipulates mood, memory, etc., and dopamine neurotransmitter. Improved the athlete's antioxidant capacity and helped with oxidative stress, improving performance overall. Vision. The fruits contain a small but significant amount of vitamin A, which is essential for protecting your eyes, maintaining normal vision and improving vision at night. Vitamin A contains compounds that preserve the membranes around your eyes and are an element in the proteins that bring light to your corneas. Like other fruits, bananas can help prevent an incurable condition, which blurs central vision. Bones. Bananas may not be overflowing with calcium, but they are still helpful in keeping bones strong. Bananas contain an abundance of alternative sweetener. These are non-digestive carbohydrates that encourage digestive-friendly probiotics and enhance the body's ability to absorb calcium. Bananas not only delight our taste buds with their natural sweetness but also offer a fascinating journey from farm to table, showcasing their versatile nature in art, cuisine, and health. So, next time you peel open a banana, savor not just the flavor, but the rich story behind this beloved fruit.